Hi everyone. When I opened my door this morning and looked to my mailbox, there was something in it. Do you know what this is? It's an envelope. And I haven't opened it yet because I thought you might want to open it with me. So let's see what's in my envelope. Oh, now I get it. Why would somebody have left me an envelope? Because it has our letter of the day in it. The letter E. E is for envelope. So let's put this up here where it belongs. I guess this is my clue that we're reviewing the letter E today. Can we say the alphabet up to E? A, B, C, D, and then comes E for envelope. Let's see. How do we make an E? Remember, I always tell you that letters are made with straight lines and curvy lines and circles. So let's see. I have a bunch of straight lines. One of them is longer than the rest. Do you know which one is longer than the rest if I put them this way? Which one's longer? Which color? That's right, the blue one's the longest one. Remember, if I go this way, we talk about tall. How many blue ones do I have? One. And let's count how many orange lines I have. 1, 2, 3. So let's see what letters we could make with these. Oh, look, I could make the letter T. I could make the letter L. My L. I could make the letter I. If I go like this, I can make a little T, yeah? Or if I go like this, it's just a little L, or even looks like the number 1. But what happens if I wanted to use all of them? Do you think we could make an E with these 4 lines? Okay, let's try. So we have our blue one that's standing straight up. Remember, that's called vertical. And then we have 3 orange ones that I'm going to put horizontally. Now, if I put one there, what letter is that again? Right, an L. And if I put it up here, 1, 2, what letter is that? F, good. But if I put the third one there, it's the letter E. It's got 3 fingers, remember? Long, straight line down, and then 3 fingers. 1 at the top, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the bottom. Now, little e, that's where it gets tricky because this doesn't look anything like the big letter. Look at this. It's a curve, almost a circle, right? What letter is that? A C. But then when you have to put this line here like this. This is where it gets a little tricky because you have to go over, up, and around. Now, little e is very hard to make. If you can make it, I'm very proud of you, but if you're still learning, that's okay. So let's try to write the big E. Straight down. 1, 2, 3. Now, little e, watch, it's hard. You have to go over. You actually have to put this line first. There you go. Slide over, and then that doesn't look right. Let me see what's happening here. Maybe I have something that might work a little bit better. Oh, you know what they do? They're showing it like this. I don't like it like that. Doesn't really look like an E to me. Anyway, you slide over, and then you make your C and go around, but it's very tricky. I don't like that. I like it better like that. Not the best E, but you get the hang of it, right, after a while. Over, up, and around. I'm telling you, it's probably the trickiest letter there is to learn. So don't worry and don't get discouraged if you can't do it. Now, we've been looking at our friends' names that start with letters, and these 2 names start with our letter E. Emily and Emma. And we've been singing that Cookie Monster song about C is for cookie, but we've been doing it with our friends' letters. So let's try it. E is for Emily, that's good enough for me. E is for Emma, that's good enough for me. E is for Emily and Emma, that's good enough for me. Oh, Emily and Emma start with E. Do you see their E's? There they are. Now, you know at the end of these videos, I'm always going to have something to eat, right? What did I have for A? I had an apple. And then B, I was going to eat a banana or some broccoli. And then C, was I going to eat the carrot or the cookies? That's right, I was probably going to eat the cookies. And what was I eating yesterday for the D? Right, Doritos. You know what I'm going to do today? I'm very hungry and I haven't had breakfast yet. Can you guess what I'm going to have that starts with E that you could have for breakfast? What am I having? That's right, I'm going to cook myself an egg and maybe I'm going to have some of these. Now I know waffle starts with W, but look at the kind of waffle. They're Eggo waffles. It starts with an E. And I know Riley sent me a picture the other day when she was eating waffles. She saw the letter X in her waffle, which was funny, and I like that she was thinking. So I may have an egg and some Eggo waffles. What do you think? Does it sound yummy? I hope you had breakfast already, but I'm going to eat my breakfast now because my stomach is starting to grumble.